A day in my life as a kasambahay. Char Emeragort. Usubo na ko bi. A day in my life as me, myself, and I. Kanang ni-apil kag meeting pero wala pa kayo na-contribute. Listener ako dere for today's video. Lingi-lingi gamay lanta ko kinsa nagstorya. Paas if na minaw. Kuhag ballpen para murag true. Dayon maurot akong rule, char. Actually, ang agenda sa among meeting ay wait na ay nagpa-cute. O diba, cute kayo no? So, among agenda is for kasambahay. Our group is a pro kasambahay. Daghang event, daghang plano. And the first thing to do is to launch the headquarters per areas. So, ayun, busy-busy sila and ako nag-video-video, ragid ko daring dapita. Hoy, mind you, lami kaming snacks, kamote, saging ginamos bulad, o diba, kalami ana. I-support ninyo among group ha. Kung naamoy nanay, tatay, mama, papa, ati, kuya, tita, tito na kasambahay, kami bahala nila. One call away rami, and we'll discuss more details soon. So, as of now, kato lang sa